Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. Today's video is about theories of evolution. As we all know that evolution is the fundamental process that explains how living organisms change over a time, eventually giving rise to the incredible diversity of new species we see on Earth today. It is important to note that evolutionary theory primarily focuses on how life transformed and diversified after its initial origin. To explain this complex process, several landmark theories have been proposed by scientists over the years. Very first theory was given by scientist Lamarck called as Lamarckism. It is also known as theory of inheritance of acquired characters. Second theory is Darwinism, which is centered on the theory of natural selection. Third theory is mutation theory, which looks at sudden heritable changes occurred in organism. Fourth theory is Neo-Darwinism, our modern synthetic theory that combines multiple scientific disciplines. We will learn all these theories one by one in successive lectures. Let us begin with first theory, that is Lamarckism. This is the first organized theory of evolution. It was proposed in 1809 by the French biologist Lamarck. Lamarck's theory is built upon three main postulates. First one is internal vital force. He believed organisms possess an inherent internal drive to evolve and become more complex. Second postulate is use and disuse of organs. This is the idea that organs used extensively by an organism become stronger and more developed, while those not used will eventually degenerate or disappear. The third postulate given by Lamarck is inheritance of acquired characters. This is the most famous part of his theory, the belief that physical traits an organism acquires during his own lifetime are passed directly to its offsprings. To better understand these postulates, let us look at Lamarck's classic example, the evolution of the giraffe's neck. The process can be viewed across three eras. In first era, which is the ancestral browsers. Originally, giraffe ancestors were short-necked animals browsing on low-level vegetation. In second era, the stretched neck state has been found. As food on lower branches become scarce, these ancestors had to constantly stretch their neck to reach the higher leaves. According to the principle of use and disuse, this repeated stretching causes their neck to become longer. And in the third era, the modern giraffe has been observed, where Lamarck argued that this acquired long neck was then passed down to the next generation. Over many generations of stretching and iterating these changes, we arrived at the modern giraffe we see today. Beyond giraffes, this theory also attempted to explain things like vestigial eyes in burrowing animals due to disuse or acquired strength seen in certain muscles.